Liquid Analytics. Vish is the CEO of Liquid Analytics, and we're here at the SAP SME event learning about SAP solutions for small businesses. Vish, can you tell us a little bit about Liquid Analytics?
Yeah, so Liquid Analytics is all about the real-time experience and the ability to use predictive analytics to drive that real-time experience for users, primarily on mobile devices.
Okay, great. You gave us a great demo in there. We don't have time to do a full demo right now, but can you give us just a little snippet of how somebody would use Liquid Analytics in their business day to day?
Right, so if I was a wholesale rep, and my whole purpose is to have, at least our purpose is to give them the best possible customer experience. I want somebody to go in there, place an order, and come out of there in under 3 minutes. I don't want them to search, I don't want them to browse. So I'm using predictive analytics to tell them exactly what the order should be in terms of quantity and price for that account in real time. And once the customer starts trusting that predictive recommendation, the process goes a lot faster.
Yeah, it looked really goal-oriented, also looked like almost like a game, like for the rep. I mean, fun for them to use.
In fact, it was gamification that got us on that path. The idea that goals, if you think about a game, right, you get compensated if you meet your goals.
Right.
And so the idea is you always want to constantly meet your goals. And so in real time, we're driving the goals, we're producing goals for you. You meet the goals. When you meet the goals, you do work, either in a survey or an order. That creates more data for us, which helps us create more goals.
Yeah, which I think is kind of a refreshing way to look at analytics, make it more like a game.
Yes.
But you decided, I think, you said, to build this solution on HANA, SAP HANA.
Correct.
Why?
So we want to focus on experience. Customers, like our differentiator is exceptional, inspiring, insightful user experiences. We want to build applications, solutions. We don't really want to be in the business of middleware and platforms. And so what we saw with HANA was a real-time platform, an engine for us to build our stuff on.
Great. And how long did it take you to build this solution on HANA?
Well, SAP approached us and said, here's HANA, you could get rid of a lot of your stuff.
Yeah.
We were very skeptical.
Yeah.
And he said, it was very similar to some of the other people in the audience who were like, this is just, well, it took us a week to move our restock algorithm over into HANA.
Wow.
And what it is because it's very developed. And I always think about HANA as open, open, and open. So it's an open database. So if you have database guys who know SQL, they will be able to build HANA applications immediately. If they know about web services, open web services, they can access that data outside. They can get data into and out of HANA. And then finally, open languages. It supports other languages like Python and R if you wanted to even augment your application.
Yeah, demo looked great. I mean, we'll put your link up on this video, but you had mentioned that if somebody wants to try it or pilot it, tell us how you're running it so that you made it really easy for them to do that.
So the idea is that you have a management console. You can go in there. You can sign up. You can just sign up for a trial.
Because it's on Amazon.
And it's in the cloud.
Right.
You don't even have to worry about where it's living, in a sense, right? It's out there. And so you sign up and you choose your industry. You choose your language. So if you're somebody in France and you're in the food and beverage industry, we'll provide you sample data for that space for you to try. We'll go one step further and we'll provide you both web services and the ability to use Excel to import data into the cloud, so you can because people understand things when they see their data.
Right.
They can only relate to their data.
Visualize it. Yeah.
But visualize their data, and that's what we allow them to do.
Well, I was really impressed by this solution. I think you're going to have investors calling you after the word gets out. So can you tell me, the solution sounds really interesting. Can you tell me a little bit about how you market it to small businesses?
Well, for us, all businesses are fast businesses, small or large. Because even if you go into a large
I know
company,
some slow ones, but go ahead.
So we want people to have full value within 3 months. And people start small. Typically, they start small. And so our solution is geared towards, and you could have 50 sales reps, you could have 10 sales reps, or you could have, as in some customer cases that we have, 2,500 reps. We believe really it's the small market that has the best promise for us because they customize less. They want to come to market with packaged solutions, and just they love the cloud.
They love mobile.
And they love mobile. So for us, the small business, or the fast business, as we like to call it, is really where we see it.
Does SAP help you with that at all? Go to market with SMBs?
Well, we've just started.
Okay.
I mean, they're helping us quite a bit with some of the mid-sized and larger companies, and this forum really has been the place for us to start our foray into the small
Meet Kevin
business.
Gilroy and others.
And maybe working with you guys
Okay,
to get our
great.
intro into the small business.
Well, this has been great. Really appreciate your time. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Lori. You have a great day.